Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest web building tips to make your online projects a breeze. Today, we're tackling how to add categories in Weebly 2025. If you're using Weebly to build a blog, online store, or any dynamic website, adding categories is a game changer for organizing your content and improving user navigation. It's super straightforward, even if you're new to this. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account. Head over to the Weebly dashboard, that's your homepage after logging in. Once you're there, look for the Design or Edit Site button, depending on the 2025 interface updates. Weebly has made things even more intuitive this year, so navigation should be smooth. Next, select the section where you want to add categories. For example, if you're working on a blog, click on Blog from the left-hand menu. If it's for your store, go to Store or Products. Now, here's the fun part. Look for the Categories option, which might be under Settings or a dedicated tab. Click on it, and you'll see a prompt to add new categories. Type in your category name, like Tech Tips or Fashion Finds, and hit Add or Save. Don't forget to customize. Weebly in 2025 lets you add descriptions, icons, or even subcategories for better organization. Once you're done, preview your site to see how it looks. If everything's good, publish your changes. That's it. You've just leveled up your site's structure. One quick tip. Always double-check for mobile responsiveness, as categories need to work seamlessly on all devices. If you run into any hiccups, Weebly's Help Center is packed with resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.